Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Extra Subject. English grammar is a set of rules that governs the structure and usage of English language. It includes a wide range of topics such as parts of sentence structure, verb tenses, punctuations, etc. Parts of speech is the base of English language. Now we already have covered all parts of speech through a series of videos. Sentence structure is another important part of English grammar. Sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete picture of our thoughts. It consists of a subject and predicate. Sentences can be simple or compound. In this video, we will have a detailed study about gender, how plurals of nouns are formed, and what is subject and predicate. Before going to the video, I request you to subscribe my channel. Press like button if video is liked. So let us go to video directly. Living beings are divided into two types, male and female. A noun that indicates a male is called masculine gender. Example, man, boy. A noun that indicates a female is called feminine gender. Example, woman, girl. Things without life is called neuter gender. Example, house, tree. A common gender noun is a noun used for both male and female. Example, doctor, parent. Another important point is singular and plural forms of noun. When a noun indicates an object, it is singular. Generally, plurals of nouns are made by writing s to the end of singular. Example, boy, boys, book, books, tree, trees. These points are useful in sentence making. Slowly, we are entering into sentence structure. Nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch, x or z. Add es to the end of noun for plurals. Example, bus, buses, pass, passes, fish, fishes, bench, benches, box, boxes, topaz, topazes. Noun ending in y preceded by a consonant, change y to I and add es at the end. Example, baby, plural babies, B-A-B-I-S. Nouns ending in y preceded by a vowel, add s to the end. Example, toy, toys, T-O-Y-S. Noun ending in o, add s to the end. Noun ending in f for fe, change the f and fe to bes. Example, leaf, L-E-A-F, Leaves, Leaves. Some nouns have unique spelling changes when we make plural. Example, man, a man, plural, men, a men. Child, children. Making the plural form of a noun in English depend on the ending of the noun. There are exceptions to above rules. Another aspect of English grammar is subject and predicate. A sentence is made of two main components, subject and predicate. Subject is the part of sentence that tells us who is performing the action or what action is performing. It is usually a noun, pronoun, noun phrase that the sentence revolves around. Example, she is reading a book. The dog barks loudly. John and Sarah are good friends. Predicate. Predicate is the part of sentence that provides information about subject. The predicate describes the action of the subject. In above example, she is reading a book. Reading a book is the action of the subject. Subject and predicate work together to form a complete sentence and convey meaning. These are the main points to be considered while making a sentence. That's all in this video. Please support my channel by like, share and subscribe. Thank you.